Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically edit text templates and change the color and change the text on it as well. So I'm just going to select this one, for instance. Here in basic you can change the text. Having a bad day, watch this. You can also adjust the font size here, and I change the color. First I want to change the watch this color. I just hit this part and expanded the second part and then went to color. If this doesn't change, that means you're just not able to change this part of the text template. And let's see if we can change the one on top. Yes, you can, but it won't change like the shadow. As you can see, it's just going to change the color of the text right there, like so. But on the second one, I am not able to, actually I am able to change it by selecting the preset style, like this one, and you can even not add in the shadow if you don't want it, and just select any other color for the second text to change the colors. But that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!